Thank you very much for your invitation. It is a pleasure for me to be here with you tonight. When it comes to talk about our ministry, our organization, Maranatha Kid International Relief. First of all, my name is David Alfonseca, and I am the president of this prestigious organization based in Tampa, Florida. As a teenager, wow, I had a lot of passion. And one of my dreams was to become the best basketball player that you can ever imagine. Basketball player. But I remember when I was only 10 years old, I had a wonderful experience in my life. My parents, they used to work for this organization, non-profit organization, taking care of kids. I want to be like my father. I also had that seed in my heart, growing. And even though I want to become a baseball player, basketball player, I also had that desire, that passion for kids. Maranatha Kid International Relief is a non-profit organization based in Tampa, Florida. We help orphans kids locally and abroad, everywhere. As the president of this prestigious organization, I have to be aware what really is happening and if everybody is working at the same speed and if every child is receiving the same care that we offer. And at the same time, we are helping them to relieve their pain. Because let me tell you something, if you think that you're poor, you have to be in their shoe so you can understand what poverty means.